This channel is supported by Community Trust Network. Foreign admission into UK schools made easy.
Thank you very much for joining us. There is this crypto project that is rewarding people between $100 to $500, probably even more, simply for exercising your body. You heard me right. All you have to do, among other things, is download the app and then start jogging or running or walking, and you will be rewarded this money in question. You will be rewarded in the native currency of this project, and then you head over to Binance or Coinbase to exchange this coin for money. It's as simple as that. Why am I telling you this? I don't have any referral link or anything attached to this video, nor do I have any personal interest. It's not my company. But I stumbled upon this piece of information, and then somebody very close to me is doing it, and I've confirmed it, so I decided to share this information with you. I hope that it benefits you. Now, I'm going to provide or pose all the possible questions that you might have, all of them, then provide the answer to them. Question, answer. Question, answer. So that way I will be able to exhaustively cover everything that you might be thinking about. Now, if for any reason you are unable to find the answer to the question that you have, please drop the question in the comment section of this very video, and we'll do our best to attend to it. I was actually surprised or confused when I heard about this project, but it's for real. So let's get down to the questions and then followed by the answers.